Do you like work?
Yes, I love it.
Is this your company?
Yes, I work here.
What is this place?
This is Global Solutions.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much so.
What do you do?
I am a manager.
Is the role good?
Yes, absolutely love it.
How long here now?
About 3 years now.
Is 3 years long?
Feels quite short, actually.
Do you enjoy work?
Yes, every single day.
What do you enjoy?
Helping my team most.
Is teamwork important here?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you have team?
Yes, amazing team here.
How many people work?
About 50 people total.
Is 50 a lot?
Medium size, not huge.
Do you like building?
Yes, very modern building.
Is it comfortable inside?
Yes, very comfortable indeed.
Do you have office?
Yes, small, nice office.
Is your office quiet?
Yes, perfect for focus.
Do you like colleagues?
Yes, very friendly people.
Do you eat together?
Yes, lunch together often.
Is that fun?
Yes, always very fun.
Do you feel valued?
Yes, very much valued.
Does boss appreciate you?
Yes, always says thanks.
Is that important here?
Yes, motivates me greatly.
Do you get salary?
Yes, fair salary here.
Is salary main reason?
No, love work more.
And what else too?
Learning new things always.
Do you learn skills?
Yes, every single month.
What new skills?
Leadership and communication skills.
Are those useful skills?
Yes, very useful indeed.
Do you have opportunities?
Yes, many opportunities here.
Did you get promoted?
Yes, twice already here.
Is that impressive?
Thank you. Hard work.
Do you recommend it?
Yes, absolutely recommend it.
Would you change jobs?
No, very happy here.
Is job satisfaction important?
Yes, extremely important always.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes, but manageable.
How do you manage?
Exercise and good sleep.
Does exercise help you?
Yes, very much helps.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
Is work balance good?
Yes, very balanced here.
Do you work overtime?
Rarely, only when needed.
Is that healthy?
Yes, very healthy balance.
Do you have flexibility?
Yes, somewhat flexible here.
Is flexibility important too?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you work remotely?
Yes, 2 days weekly.
Is remote work nice?
Yes, saves commute time.
Do you miss it?
A little, miss colleagues.
Is interaction important too?
Yes, builds better relationships.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, every Monday morning.
Are meetings productive usually?
Usually, yes, well organized.
Is your boss good?
Yes, very supportive manager.
Does he listen well?
Yes, always listens carefully.
Is that rare today?
Sadly, yes, very rare.
Do you feel lucky?
Yes, very lucky indeed.
Would you recommend it?
Yes, absolutely recommend it.
What career is this?
Business management is mine.
Is management interesting work?
Yes, very interesting field.
Did you study this?
Yes, at university before.
Was university helpful too?
Yes, gave good foundation.
Do you use it?
Yes, every single day.
Is experience important also?
Yes, learn by doing.
What did work teach?
Patience and problem solving.
Are those valuable skills?
Yes, extremely valuable indeed.
Will you stay long?
Yes, planning to stay.
For how long more?
Many more years, hopefully.
Is this dream job?
Yes, truly my dream.
Are you grateful now?
Yes, very grateful always.
Would you advise others?
Yes, find your passion.
Is passion important too?
Yes, makes work enjoyable.
Does passion beat money?
Both matter, passion more.
Do you agree fully?
Yes, completely agree indeed.
Do you like meetings?
Some yes, some no.
What do you dislike?
Too many long meetings.
Is that common problem?
Yes, very common actually.
Do you suggest changes?
Yes, shorter meetings please.
Does boss take advice?
Yes, usually takes action.
Is boss open-minded?
Yes, very open-minded.
Do you trust him?
Yes, completely trust him.
Is trust important always?
Yes, extremely important always.
Do coworkers trust you?
Yes, I think so.
Are you a leader?
Yes, team leader now.
Is leadership hard sometimes?
Yes, but very rewarding.
Do you like leading?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you mentor others?
Yes, 2 junior colleagues.
Is mentoring rewarding too?
Yes, very rewarding indeed.
Do they learn fast?
Yes, quite fast actually.
Are you very proud?
Yes, extremely proud indeed.
Do you celebrate success?
Yes, always celebrate together.
How do you celebrate?
Coffee or team lunch.
Is celebrating important too?
Yes, boosts team morale.
Is morale good now?
Yes, very high morale.
Do you feel motivated?
Yes, extremely motivated always.
What motivates you most?
Growth and good people?
Is growth possible here?
Yes, many possibilities here.
Will you grow more?
Yes, definitely growing more.
Are you excited today?
Yes, very excited indeed.
Do you love it?
Yes, completely love it.
Thanks for this chat.
Anytime. Great talking, friend.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.